So here's my Legendary Collection box. Let's get it open. Wow, it's so shiny. This is the back. So let's get straight to opening it. Oops. So here we're gonna have the God cards. Obelisk for Tormentor, Slifer the Sky Dragon, the Winged Dragon of Ra, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Dark Magician, and Red Eyes Black Dragon. These are all the promos. Let's start with our first pack, Invasion of Chaos. Let's see what we got. Manju of the 10,000 Hands, Griffin's Feather Duster, Big Koala, Recycle, Rare Berserk Gorilla, ooh, and a super rare Freed the Brave Wanderer. Nice. Gale Lizard, Ohama Yellow, Balloon Lizard. Open this up. Kotodama, Horn of Light, Gravekeeper's Servant, Commencement Dance, Rare UFO Turtle, Chain Energy, Octoberser, Dark Zebra, and Tool. Armored Lizard, Stim Pack, Winged Dragon, Guardian of the Fortress, #1, Pumpkin, the King of Ghosts, Rare Masked Sorcerer, Steel Scorpion, Tainted Wisdom, Petite Moth, and Blue Winged Crown. Dark Crisis, Despair from the Dark, Dark Scorpion, Gork the Strong, Duskbook Archfiend, Battle Scarred, Contract with the Abyss, rare, Shooting Star Bow Seal, really Eternal Rust, really, Guardian Kayest, Sakuretsu Armor, Pharaoh's Servant, Light of Intervention, Major Riot, Insect Barrier, Gust, the Shallow Grave, rare, ooh, super rare Backup Soldier, nice, DNA Surgery, Sword Hunter, and Metal Detector. Last pack, Blue Eyes White Dragon, M Warrior #1, Remove Trap, Dissolve a Rock, Dark Energy, Rare Goblin Secret Remedy, Skull Red Bird, Masaki the Legendary Swordsman, Maneater, and Hinotama. Goblin Secret Remedy, The Shallow Grave, Contract with the Abyss, Masked Sorcerer, UFO Turtle, Berserk Gorilla, Backup Soldier, Freed the Brave Wanderer, Winged Dragon of Ra, Slifer the Sky Dragon, Obelisk the Tormentor, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Dark Magician, and Red Eyes Black Dragon.